Good afternoon. I am Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and it is a beautiful day up here in upstate New York. And today I was going to give you a complete flip through of my December daily journal. You may have seen some of these layouts before, but I did add this little star to my cover and this trim. And then the first day was snowman, and I just simply put this tag here and the magic of snow. Day 2 was tree, and so I put some Christmas trees that my kids had made over the years. Day 3 was candy cane, so I got a candy cane here, some candy canes on this Christmas tree, and this guy is holding a candy cane, and there's a couple of candy cane stickers and candy cane paper background. Can't get more candy cane than that. What's the next one? Day 4 was something red, and we have this Angel Gabriel dressed in red. Number 5 was winter, and I thought this was the epitome of winter. The moon on the breast of the new fallen snow gave a luster of midday to objects below, and we have vintage snowy wrapping paper background. Let's see, the next one was Advent, so I made little Advent calendars with verses on the back. But now I can't get it back in. Oh gosh. Come on, you can go back in. There, I made little pockets out of these gift tags and put little verses on each little tag in there. This was a holiday movie, and I picked The Nutcrackers, a great new movie with Ben Stiller in it, and some newcomer boys. They're all actually our brothers in real life too, and Linda Cardellini, if I'm saying that right. It was a really cute movie. I really liked it. Next one, I think, was Snowflake. And yes, Snowflake. So I just simply made a snowflake and a little snowflake, and I put this plastic snowflake on top. This is a new one that I added to. Baking Spirits Bright. I think that page, or that prompt, was holiday baking, and I didn't bake cookies, but I did make a spinach artichoke dip. And I actually talked about that in one of my later spreads when I was making that. I made that on the 17th. I made this spread, was number 9, and then I made the dip on the 17th. Here we have, what was it? Oh, traditions, going to see Santa. My granddaughter went to go see Santa. And then this was merry and bright, and I thought, oh, my grandson makes every day merry and bright. And it was fun to go see him decorating his Christmas tree. Then back here, I think it was ornament. Number 12 was ornament. So I found a whole bunch of ornaments that my kids had made when they were little. I laminated them and put them in the book. This one, number 13, was Santa. It's also my son's birthday. And I just made this little layout of in Santa's house. He's relaxing in his house, getting ready for Christmas. This one was the color green. I have green trees and green snowflakes. This one was gift or present, I forget. Number 15 was presents. And so I found this page, and I thought, Santa's present bag is perfect for that page. I think I just added this ornament that my daughter had made there. And then 16 was a cup of good cheer. So I made a cup of cocoa with these Christmas cookies in the background. This one, I believe, was candy cane. No, peppermint. The other one was candy cane. I got mixed up that the first time too. So I just cut out a candy cane on the candy cane background and told the story of the candy cane. This one was it nostalgia? And I put all the things that reminded me of my childhood 60s Christmases. And then here was holy, and I also put this ornament in here that says, "Oh Holy Night." Some more of the ornaments that my kids had made are in that pocket. 17 or 20 was gingerbread. Reindeer was 21, and I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. Angel, peace. Peace on earth. Was it peace? Yes, 22 was just peace, and I thought that looked so peaceful. Then we have our little skinny Christmas tree, which I'm not sure about. It looks, I'm getting used to it. And then this one was children, which was also Christmas Eve. And then we get to Christmas. And on Christmas Eve, I actually picked up my daughter and took her to McDonald's all by myself. And I just kept that information there. I didn't usually have my husband with me, but not that time. This was Christmas morning. All of these are just pictures of my family on Christmas morning. I did show these that I got from Dollar General. It's actually supposed to be a banner kit. I used it to make a little booklet of, you guessed it, photos. And this is a Tom Selleck cookie that my son Brian made. He used to have a Tom Selleck mustache party every year before he had kids, and everybody would start growing out their mustaches, and yeah, so he thought it was funny to make he just thought it would be funny to make a Tom Selleck cookie, I guess. Here is a Christmas card from my granddaughter, and I put another letter that I got inside it. I made it a pocket. And these are some of the Christmas ephemera that I saved. We had these little elf Christmas cakes, and then inside here is more pictures of people in my family. This was, what was that? The day after Christmas. We're going back to the 13th, my son's birthday. And I think we talked about these, my grandson at my house decorating the Christmas tree. We visited our friend in the hospital, who went to Bass Pro Shop, and all these little animals are from the Bass Pro Shop Christmas catalog. Then our grandson made a little bird feeder out of a pine cone at daycare, and he was hanging it up with Grandpa, and we played in the snow. And here he is just chilling out in the chair. This is when Bethany came for Dobby's birthday party. We made a birthday cake for him, and in each of these, I guess you saw her face there a little bit, but in each of these little tags is a picture of getting the birthday cake ready. And there's Dobby laying in the sun. He loves his little rectangle of sun there. This, I did a whole separate video on the Christmas lights, and this was our house. And I just put her holiday magic there. And then this is a Christmas card that my son made, and in here is just one more picture and more of the ornaments. And that is my completed Christmas December daily journal. I still have all of this ephemera that I want to get into this journal, but I will be back to document all of this ephemera. Some really cute stuff. That was from Bethany's reindeer nose. A couple of drawings that my oldest grandson made while he was here. This is a portrait of his father. This is what his father looked like 20 years ago. And I think there's another one in there somewhere, but who's this one? Let's see. That's my youngest son that he did a portrait of. But anyway, I've got all this stuff that I want to document. Also, this box of fudge I'll be cutting up to use. I just got some fudge crumbs there. And I hope you are doing well. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. I am battling post-holiday depression, as usual, or post-kids-going-home depression. And I want to keep myself busy, so I'll be doing some more layout soon. And we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.